Hey friends, in this tutorial we are going to make a video, edit the video, and upload it onto YouTube, all under 5 minutes. Let's go! The first thing we need to do is open up the screen recording dialog. To do that, you press Command-Shift-5, or you can open up QuickTime and go File, New Screen Recording. What both of those options will do will open up a dialog box where you have 7 options. The 3 on the left are for screenshots, the 2 in the middle are for screen recordings. The options menu will let you set the settings, such as if you want to record audio as well, and the source if you do. By clicking the left middle option and pressing record, it will give me a little camera icon that I can just click on the screen that I want to record. If you go into the screen that you're recording, and you look in the upper right hand side, pressing that stop box will stop the recording. Alright, now that we're recording, we're going to open up Firefox, open up a new tab, go under timer. Let's take a video of this timer for 30 seconds. Once this timer gets down to 4 minutes and 30 seconds, we're going to stop the video like I showed you earlier by clicking on the stop button in the upper toolbar, and then our video is done. Alright, our video is recorded. Now we need to edit it. I'm going to press Command Space to open up Imovie. We are not making a trailer, we're making a movie, so go ahead and click on Movie. This top left section is the media section. This is where we are going to upload the video we just made. There's 3 ways to import media. We can click on the button, we could click File, Import Media, or we can press Command-I. Let's go ahead and click on the button. Let's go to the video we made. Now you'll see the video in our media section. I'm going to import 2 more files here, an image and another video. From here we can preview the video, but if we want to add it to our project and edit it, we have to drag it to the bottom section. Let's zoom into the video by pressing Command+. Now we're going to split the video into 2 clips. To do that, move the vertical line to where you want to split the clip. You can right click on the video and click Split Clip, or as you can see, you can also just press Command-B. Let's delete the second half of the clip. To do that, right click on it and press Delete, or just press the Delete key on your keyboard. Now let's add an image to our video. Grab the image from the media pane, and as you can see, by default it has something called Ken Burns effect. This is where the image gradually pans in. To change this, we're going to click on the crop option in the editor pane and click Fit so it doesn't move. Alright, now let's add the video that we made earlier. Let's say we want to crop something out. As an example, let's go ahead and cover up one of these items from this deal site. We're just going to import a white photo, drag it down to the editor section, and go ahead and click the sides of it to align it with the portion of the video that we want to cover. We are going to choose Crop to Fill. The default when you put an image over a video is an overlay. As you can see, we can change the opacity to make the image more or less transparent. But what we want for the overlay is picture-in-picture. Since we chose Crop to Fit, we can resize the image. Let's go ahead and cover up the item, preview our clip, and as you can see, the deal disappears the time we set it to disappear. By default, the image fades in and fades out. To get rid of that, click on the leftmost icon in the drop-down menu where it says Picture-in-Picture Dissolve, change it to 0 seconds. For the time frame we specified, you can no longer see the clip. In case you guys haven't noticed, we have been editing the video you're watching right now. I just want to show you guys one more thing in iMovie really fast, and that is how to edit the audio. I made a test clip with some background noise, and we are going to get rid of that background noise. Here's the test clip I made. Hey, here's a test clip and some background noise. Let's zoom in. To detach the audio, right click on the clip and choose Detach Audio. Now you can see the audio and the video are separated. Click on the audio. Up top, click on the Noise Reduction and Equalizer button. Click the checkbox Reduce Background Noise. You can tweak it however you like. Here there's an equalizer panel. We are just going to keep it flat. And that's it. Here's the video without the background noise. Hey, here's a test clip and some background noise. Now we just need to save our video and we're done. Go to the very top right of iMovie, click on the Share button, click on Export File. Since I'm making a 4K video for you guys, I'm going to click on 4K. Click Next. I'm going to save it as our movie. Now our movie is done. Now let's upload our video onto YouTube. Go to youtube.com, click on our profile, go to YouTube Studio, click on Create, Upload Video, select File, click Our Movie. Now the SD version usually uploads pretty quickly. The HD takes a while, 4K can take a day to a week. Click Next. These are cards. You can use cards to promote other material if you so desire. And that is it. Now our video is live on YouTube. That's it. We have made a video, edited it, and posted it on YouTube in under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. I hope to make many more, so please like and subscribe so I can make that happen.